Hello everybody and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pair your MARSHALL WOBURN III with your Android phone. So, first we need to go to settings on our Android device, and here, wait a moment, we have to go to connected devices here. Now we have to tap pair new device. Now you have to find the power switch on your speaker. It's located at the top and it looks exactly like, I don't know how to show you this, so wait a moment. Here, power, we have to go to the down to turn on our power, and now we have to find the source button, which is over here. Now we have to hold this button when we have our first switch to Bluetooth. Now, as you can see here, we have WOBURN III. We have to click connect button. In a moment I have to go back with my speaker, back to my camera, and here we have tap pair. And now we can tap done. And all is done now. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.